See my last video? It's posting right now. I made these 3 slimes. Well, I made this one. So I'm going to be mixing these. I don't want to get this one away. Okay, so I'm going to mix these 2 and see how it feels. Go check out my other video. It's called Mixing My Slime. Okay, it's kind of turning purple because it might be my biggest slime that really pokey. It's the other slime. And here comes the gray. I just love this. You guys, I don't want to do this one, so I'm going to be mixing stuff. So I'm going to put this aside and put this back in the zipper. And I'm going to mix a bunch. So I'm just going to do it really quick. So I want to get back to the video. This was not supposed to happen, guys. I just really like that one. It's really soft. So I'm going to go fast. I don't care what slimes. I'm not going to squish it down. I'm not going to bother. Okay, this is empty. Hey guys, it's not even perfect yet, but one last piece of slime. Let's grab some slime. Looks so pretty. I'm not going to bother to show you. I'm not going to bother to do anything with it.
I won't have any.
Okay, I'm just going to mix it.
Hey, you're breaking the rules like a stoneworm mold. Who are you?
Me.
Who are you?
Me.
What's my name?
Me.
What's your name?
Me.
Oh, you know that?
Guys, it's turning blue.
Slay all day. Ain't nobody frontin' on 4 play button.
Guys, I'm sorry if you can see, but I'm trying to mix this up. The bluish purple, I love it. Not soft, I don't care. So I'm gonna make this big slime. Oh, guys, I didn't make this shade. But it's right here. Guys, you can see the slime, right? There. Really hot slime, but I love it. Let's see something next time. Oh. Guys, I can do it on the floor. Okay.
Crispy got play button.
Okay, my brother's in the background. Might be the biggest one ever. I'm gonna spread it out. Okay, this one's farting. Guys, I just love this. Guys, I need to make it so you can see. Okay, actually, all you're facing is not the floor. Look at my stand. I really want you guys to see it.
Starburst tastes so juicy. We use wicked small fighter jets to shoot the juiciness into every Starburst.
Starburst makes you a bit juicy.
Okay, guys.
Hey guys, my name is Celiac and welcome to what potentially become a new series any of you guys enjoy called Food Empire.
Okay, sorry. This is so tough. I love it. It's not my biggest slide level. And it's not. I'm gonna leave this here. And I'm gonna go mix another slide.
Just like
I'm so excited. Okay, I'm using all my slime.
welcome guys, this game is basically Famous Haven, kind of, but you make food. Okay, come on, I love that. So if you do want to turn this into a series, make sure you hit that like button down below and simply comment, Celiac, your phone makes more. That's all you simply got to do, guys. Now, I never know about the tutorial. When you first join the game, there's this tiny little bit of tutorial so you can know what's going on, how to play it, and I'm going to tell you guys it's so
Fluffy, fluffy, fluffy. There goes the little cow.
Now, it's not kind of what you think it is, but
What are you gonna say? That's not cool.
no dispenser, you have to put
I'm really excited to do this again.
dispenser. It makes bread. It drops bread outside of it. So we've got some rusty conveyors.
This is so pretty. Look at
Fair
that.
enough. So you put in the dough, bread comes out, and then
Okay, I'm gonna mix it.
you can cook it. So we don't
Okay,
place
guys,
it
move this
into
side.
a bread
Mix it.
furnace.
Okay, I want to see what color this
Look at
is.
the fire, the flames! And that basically turns it into bread, and then we place it into this crate, which then makes us
What?
some
Do you want
money. Now I've got $104 already. Seems like a lot, but it actually isn't that
I
much.
have
much. So
given
we
your
need to go to the
free
shop.
dough
And I need to buy
spender
some dough. So it
Just
costs
buy
us, the price of it is
in
$5.
your
So let's buy
inventory and
10
click
dough for
on it to begin
$50.
placing
And that's a lot
it.
of dough. We deposit it inside our dough dispenser. So we deposit all of our dough.
I'm still mixing it.
It processes the
I like
dough,
where the metallic
turns into big
blue.
lumps of dough.
Okay,
bread
this is
shaped.
gonna be blue,
It then
guys.
goes into the furnace. If you just
I
watch
believe
it,
this is gonna be
turns it into
blue.
bread and goes into our crate.
Yep,
And
I
bam,
know it.
we got
Big
4
slime.
conveyors. Each bread. Cost us 5 each. How good is that? This is super sweet, mate. It's super sweet. So, we'll let that get into what it's going to do. Now, that's just the basic items that I've got. I've got enough, 2 basic conveyors left over, to be honest.
Guys,
There's other stuff like bread spices
it's so
and,
fun.
whole wheat bread. But a lot of
It's
it
like
needs
these
to
right
unlock
now
to
because
get
I'm having
more
so
and more
much
money
fun.
and more things.
It's so glittery.
This is
There's
really
a whole
cool.
bunch
So
of
what can we do
beads.
next then? It's going to increase. So here's the rusty conveyors.
So
Pretty slow.
soft.
Conveyors speed 4.
Oh,
Rusty sound
just
crate. Nice.
can't
Increase the speed by 4
imagine
as
it.
well. Dough dispenser. We've got the bread furnace. What's this
I
next
wish you guys could feel this right now. I wish you guys could feel it.
This spicer to spice the bread.
Oh.
That passes through it.
Okay, guys, I'm just gonna see
bread
how many
spicer,
slime
bread
it was.
spicer,
Wait.
bread spicer. But we're gonna buy one of those, which means we actually have to buy
Where is it?
some spices too. Hey, dude.
Oh, I have my inventory.
To remove this then, once it goes
Hey,
through there,
guys.
it's turned into bread.
I spread it out.
Gonna place down
Yeah.
the bread.
Just
Spice
butter
that for the
down.
videos. Thanks, man. Thanks, man. Right, and then at the end, we're placing our crate. Bam! There we go. So, we've got the dispenser, we've got the spicer. So let's buy some more ingredients. So let's buy 10 of the dough. Bam! Brought it. Spices, they also cost 50 as well, but we'll buy 10 of those so we can spice 10 pieces of bread. Let's deposit all the spice in that one. And then deposit all the dough
There's
in
a
this
lot
one.
of them
Let's see what's going to
around.
happen. I'm quite excited. So,
Oh,
here comes the
okay,
slice of bread. It's got a number on
this
top as
side.
well, if you can just about see it. It tells us how many we got left. So, will it change the bread once it's been spiced? We don't know. It jumps into the crate quick enough anyway. But that's giving us 24. That's just by adding in the spicer has increased the values by 10. It's so cool. How is your life? Sweet. Sweet. Right, so we're doing good. This is pretty fancy.
This is world.
So what's that? We got some right turns. Nice. Oh, what's this one? Another left turn there. A bread purifier for some completely unknown reason. People have been complaining about pressing their bread. This purifier increases the value by 1.5. That's good. That means I'm going to have to buy a load of stuff. So let's just double it.
Oh my gosh, guys, this is really soft, guys.
All of it, deposit.
Look, this is bread,
All of
butter.
it. Right, again. Deposit all of it. So that's not much money. So we need $500 to then get the
Hey, doesn't know, but so beautiful inside.
the bread purifier. That's going to increase the value by
My
1.5.
favorite, guys, I want to see if this is big. One more container.
Wait, no.
So, this container. Okay. I probably can't fit in there.
10 times.
If it can, that's how big. No, it's bigger than this cup.
Make sure it doesn't roast the bread. You never know, you just never know. I increased the value by 10%.
Okay,
It's a tough one.
I'm gonna do this one. Okay. Okay, guys. Who's fixing this? Halfway full. Guys, I'm gonna take out some small, and I want to show you how big my slime are usually. Some slime are usually that big, and this, compared to that, it's big. So guys, new favorite slime. So guys, bye.